Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX479 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX479 support, and go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon website here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX479. Go ahead and open that up. And then you can go scroll down on this page until you get to the download section. It's pretty close to the top, I should say. And then expand the software and drivers section. So on this page, so you want to go down and select the My Printer file in here. Select the download button next to that. And then open up that file once it's done downloading. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And now you can close out of the web browser at this time. Select next to continue the installer. Select a region and country. You have to accept the end user license agreement. And if you want to change the destination folder path, you can. I normally just keep that default unless I have a reason not to. And then you can create a shortcut on the desktop if you want, which I'm going to do. Because we're going to open that up, and there are a variety of printer settings you can modify in here. If you're still having a connectivity issue connecting to your printer and your computer, go ahead and select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and then follow along with the on-screen prompts here to hopefully resolve those connectivity issues. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.